poppy it looks like. I just have to. Oh. All right.
Is it the way I swing my hips side to side? I know you just.
Okay, so now I'm gonna be starting off with a old wig. It's pink, and I'm just pretty much combing it out. So we're gonna be using a door, sweeten it. So I'm testing out the water, putting in the water, and then I'm not really measuring. I'm just putting a little bit in, and then we're going to mix it. I'm gonna put a little bit more because it's a little bit too light. I'm gonna mix it, and then I'm going to start at the top first, dipping it, using a dipping motion, and then I'm gonna start putting at the ends. So I see that it's a little bit too light, so I put some more in, so I can add a little bit more color. And I'm not really measuring, I'm just putting it in and then mixing it. So now I'm putting the ends in and just doing a dipping motion while mixing it. And I keep dipping it. And I want to do an ombre, so I continue to put some more in, because every time you put the dye in and you put the wig in, the color gets on the dye and then it's nothing left, so you just have to put some more in. So I'm rinsing it out, and as you can see, it's really taking well, so I continue to dip it. And then keeping it, I'm dipping it more. Rinsing it out, checking. So at the top it still needs a little bit more dye. And at the top I really wanted it to be light, so that's why I really just dabbed on it, and then I focused more on the ends. But I rinsed it out, put some more dye in, and just focus at the top now, because I lightly dab in it because I don't really want it to be too green. Rinse it out. So now I'm going to be putting in Bambu silicone mix. They didn't have the regular one, but this one works. This was good. I'm telling you, it brings your wig back to life, honey, okay? So I'm going to put that in a bag. Usually I put that overnight, but I wanted to wear it. So I'll only put it in for an hour, so I set my timer. After the hour was done, I took it out the bed. Nice and smooth. Now I can wash it out. Washing it, combing it. Now it's really back to life, because before, whoo child, it was rough. I mean rough. So now it's back to normal. I'm just making sure I got all the product out. Rinsing it. Making sure I got all of the product. Alright, so as you can see, it's nice ombre, light at the top, then it goes from light to dark at the ends. I'm really happy about it. It came out exactly what I liked. Beautiful.
is dyed a pretty, I feel like this is like a mermaid type of blue-ish. Well, it's green, but it looks blue on camera. I don't know why it looks that blue, but I'm gonna put this wig on. This took forever for me to braid my hair, but it's braid, honey. It's braided. It's braided. So let's get into it. I have a mirror right here, so that's why I'm looking down. I know this looks a mess, but I'm gonna fix it, okay? Okay, so once I got it on, don't judge me, just wait. Sorry, I'm like looking at the monitor. Don't judge me, just wait. Now I'm gonna blow dry it. Let it, I have to blow dry it. I have to comb it. I'm not sure if I'm going to straighten it or curl it, and I might cut it. So, and then I gotta do my makeup. Okay, the process. That doesn't make sense. Now the final step is my hair. So let me take this mess out, okay? So excited to see. I am, again, not an expert. So my pink curls might not come out popping, but we'll see. Oh, sorry. Oh, this. Oh, this is going to be pretty. It's be pretty. The girls are out today. Like in real life, the color looks gorgeous. So let me. Like, wow. Like, really, like, wow. I really did that shit. You wanna go down here? Oh, that shit was still in curl. Thought I took all of them out. Oh. Baby. Baby. get into it. I'm feeling it, honey. I'm feeling it. Popping. Yeah. You like my hair, babe? Really looks hot. No, okay. It really looks good. Yeah. I got my green on. Got my green on. Oh. Alright. Okay. Who's house is this? It's my house. It's my house. It's my house. Oh. And I plucked the mess out of this wig. So yeah, this is the final look. This is my final look. I'm so excited. This is so fun. So yeah, this is my look. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, join my channel. This is my first video, more to come. And yeah, I'm excited. Now I'm gonna take freaking pictures. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, and my single is coming out, so please listen to it. And yeah, please comment if you like the color. If you want me to try a different color, if you want me to show you how I pluck this wig. This is she. It looks really good on my skin tone and stuff. See you soon. Bye. Have a blessed day. Bye.